Welcome to the last part of Blackbody radiation series. In the first video, we discussed what is a blackbody and why we created it. Then we explained how classical mechanics got this graph. And today, in the last video, we will talk about the birth of quantum mechanics, a new era in physics. According to classical theory back then, which were wave theory and equipartition theorem, a blackbody should have been blasting out infinite amounts of UV light. Crazy, right? If that were true, we would start to melt just by standing in the sun. This was known as ultraviolet catastrophe, and that's where classical mechanics kind of broke down. Instead of all these complex physics formulae, today we will understand it with our money analogy. Imagine the energy released during the radiation as money transfer. According to classical mechanics, the energy stored in blackbody was infinite. It's like saying the blackbody has an infinite bank balance. So when we hit the blackbody, it gets happy and starts giving out money. But how did blackbody transfer money? Well, classical mechanics suggested that the blackbody uses an online money transfer system, allowing it to transfer any amount of money, whether a tiny fraction, a moderate amount, or a large sum, since it had an unlimited money. The more you hit it, the more it gets happy, the more money comes out. Eventually, for higher energy radiation like UV rays, it would release infinite money. But in reality, no one has an infinite amount of money. Not me, not you, and not even Elon Musk. And certainly not Mr. Blackbody. And that is exactly what Max Planck argued. He basically said, nope, there's no such thing as unlimited money. And you cannot have zero money either. Energy is not continuous, rather discrete. Blackbody cannot have any random amount of energy. It has a minimum value, like a coin has a minimum value. And he called it quanta. This is a quanta, just you cannot divide a 1 rupee coin into smaller parts for payments. You cannot split this energy quanta into fraction. The blackbody cannot transfer half or fraction of a coin. It must transfer whole coins or multiples of them. Now the value of each coins depends on the frequency of light. Low frequency light has lower value coins. For example, infrared rays are like 1 rupee coins. Red light is slightly higher, 2 rupee coins, yellow light is 5 rupee coins, and so on. This led to his famous equation E equal to h nu. As the frequency increases, so does the value of quanta, or the smallest possible unit of energy. According to classical mechanics, energy of the blackbody emission only depends on temperature. Planck showed that it also depends on frequency. Because of this quantization, blackbody does not have infinite money anymore. And let's see how. It has more low-value coins and fewer high-value ones. As we can see here, at lower temperature when blackbody heats up, it gives off more low-value coins, because low temperature provides low energy and it cannot generate higher value coins. For example, it might release 24 1 rupee coins, 15 2 rupee coins, 4 5 rupee coins, and just 1 10 rupee coin, and no 20 rupee coins at all at this temperature. So the peak energy is around 2 rupee coins or at red light, even though there are more 1 rupee coin, but the value makes it higher. Since there are fewer high-value coins, the energy curve drops off as we move to higher frequency. As we increase the temperature, the total number of coins increases, meaning the intensity or area under the curve increases. The 1 and 2 rupee coins are more than 5, but as the value is higher, the peak value has shifted to 5 rupee coins. In this temperature also, blackbody could not produce more higher value coins. So the curve will go down in the blue and UV region. We will get more yellow light here. As we increase more temperature, blackbody starts to release all types of visible light, and it basically emits white light. The temperature at which it emits white lights is very high. It is close to our sun's temperature. So at this level of temperature, blackbody could not produce infinite amount of UV light because the value of one quanta of UV light is very big and blackbody does not have even enough energy to produce infinite UV light. But it does produce some UV light and higher energy light in limited quantity. And that's why we need sunblock and astronauts need their suit. I hope I explained clearly how Planck's idea of quantized energy resolved this, marking the start of quantum mechanics. Interestingly, even Planck himself didn't fully believe in the concept of quantized light, initially viewing it as a mere mathematical trick to fit the mathematical data. In the next video, we will explain how Einstein proved this theory using same analogy.